Hey, how's it, guys? This is Moses. I know that it's been a long time in explaining how Luno works. Okay, well, let me someday ask me why I'm not explaining it in English, because many people they want to make money using Luno. So now it is complicated, they want to buy some bitcoins. All about that. It's all about that. Okay, let us go. First of all, from South Africa. Well, if you want to buy this a bitcoin using Luno and invest and making a lot of money in a day, first of all you need to deposit your money. Deposit your money to Luno. Your money will appear here. Your money will appear here. Yeah? When you want to, you mustn't leave your money here. Let's say you deposited 5,000 here, it will appear here. Then you need to convert this money to be a bitcoin, to appear where here, né? To do that you need to go straight to bitcoin. Here in bitcoin, you need to go straight here, click here, say click here, buy what? Bitcoin. You buy bitcoin. It's once off or repeated, then we'll do once off because you want to make money. Yeah? Okay, say once off. Then how would you like to pay? Then you go straight here. Okay, you go straight here. Your money by that moment it will appear here. Yeah? It will appear here. Yeah? Then you will click this sign because you are paying with your national currency. Like here I'm from South Africa, I'm using rands. I will be paying in rands. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share to other people. There's a bonus that I want to tell you about this, where you can make a lot of money in a day. Okay, then you go. After that you need to click, let's say you click here, then you put the amount. How much bitcoin do you want to buy? Then you can put the amount of rands. It says 5,000 rands. 5,000. Then once you purchase, you click next. Right now I didn't deposit any money. I was withdrawing some. I didn't deposit. Then you click next. That money, let me go back. Then it will appear where? Let me show you. It will appear here. And when you shift here, then you'll see bitcoin. It will appear here. It will appear right straight here. Then the bitcoin, each and every time you see the profit, there's the bonus. If each and every time you see the profit of bitcoin, then you withdraw that profit and you leave that amount of money. That is a way how to make money using a bitcoin each and every day. The more money you deposit to buy bitcoin, the more money you make. Believe you understand. It's all about it. Then it's easy like that to make money using Luno. Okay, many you can drop a comment, then I will get back to you. Some will ask me how to deposit. Okay, my wallet, reward, buy bitcoin, sell bitcoin. Okay, home. Okay, order book, buy and sell. I'll teach you. It tells you what is going on at the moment here. The bitcoin at the moment, there's a platform that others they used. You can trade using bitcoin, doesn't matter how much you have. Okay, I believe this is useful. This is how you can make a lot of money. If you want to withdraw your money from that Bitcoin, from that profit, you sell, click sell, then you'll sell, choose, you're selling Bitcoin to what? Selling Bitcoin to ZA, ne? Then you withdraw, you write that profit, ne? Here, let's say maybe we made a profit of 2000 rand, ne? 2000 rand. Then with next, your money after, it will appear where? It will appear in ZA here. Your money will appear where? Here. I don't know not this the video to take. It will appear here, you know. Okay, thank you very much. This is how you will able to make money using Bitcoin. But Bitcoin, you need to put more money, like for instance 5,000 to 10,000, so that one slightly move, then you make a profit, then you withdraw that profit. You know, that is the way you you will able to make money every day with Bitcoin. Okay, thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I think this video is useful. I'm sorry about that. Okay, thank you very much. Oh, subscribe guys, and share this video, so we will all make some money using what? Bitcoin, using Bitcoin. You know, each and every time when you hit Bitcoin, you'll see something like this. This is the history. This is the history. This is my history. So guys, okay, your when you click Bitcoin, your Bitcoin will must appear here, né? When you click za will appear here. You need to, okay, let's say for instance you want to deposit za, then you click here and you go to EFP. You write the amount that you want to deposit, let me say 5,000 rand. Then it will tell you deposit using your unfortunate instant current is not available. FMP capital custom, can you pay to enter banking details and pay off transmission? Then there's a fee as well. Then you can select any bank that you're using here, like African Bank, Time Bank, you know. Then you click that bank, you put the account, then you go to go ABSA, then you put the money will appear there. Okay, thank you very much.